Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix app crashes and app freezes on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. So, first of all, indicate the troublesome application. Let it be Spotify on this smartphone. In order to fix it, hold your finger down on an application, select App Info, then go to Storage Usage. Then clear the cache of the application and also clear the data. Then return to its settings, force stop this application, and close the settings for the app and try relaunching it. Now we're gonna have to log in to our account once again, and the application will start functioning as usual. If this didn't help you, you can also restart your smartphone by pressing volume up key and the power button at the same time, swiping the circle up to restart, and wait until the phone is restarted. After the restart, let's re-enter the password and let's try to launch the application again. And if you still have troubles with it, then what we can do is check whether we need updates for this application, which we can easily see in the Google Play Store. So in the Google Play Store, I think the easiest way would be just looking at this application up in the store. I'm probably gonna have to sign into it right now, because in my case the Play Store is the problematic application, but let's wait. Okay, so let's find your application here, and if you have an update for this application like here, then download and install an update by selecting update, then wait until the update is installed, and after the update is installed, your issue should be resolved. After the update, let's try to open the application once again, and right now everything should be working fine. And if it's still not, then what we can do is uninstall the application completely by selecting uninstall, either here or by holding down the finger on the application on the home screen and selecting uninstall. After uninstallation, let's install it again. And then let's reopen it. And then the application should be working fine. But if you're still experiencing some troubles with this application, make sure that your smartphone is up to date. So go to Settings, go to System and Update, then open Software Update menu and check if you have any updates to install. If you do have an update, then install the latest software version, and after this the problem should be resolved for good. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.